Hello judges, let me introduce myself Rishikesh, founder of Dbits. Dbits is a decentralized streaming platform for gamers, creators, digital artists and content creators. So this is the main landing page or the home screen of the platform which we are building. For this hackathon, we'll be presenting a couple of features which were developed basically during the complete period of the hackathon. There are few features like creating post, uploading videos, uploading track and minting NFTs. By clicking create post, users are able to create smart links or the blogs of the post. For example, let me drop a certain post. And let's say I want to put a link to the event or a link to be included in the post. I can also drop that link in the event link down here. And so when someone clicks this post, he will be redirected to the post directly. A smart view of this link is generated. I'll click post. So this post has been created, and now when I go to my profile, I can see all the posts which I have made prior. Let me refresh this once. Okay, so here is the post which I posted just now. This is a post for DevFolio Hackathon and the link to the post. So in the same way, I just also got a notification that I have posted something. In the same way, I can upload a video. I can choose a video thumbnail, video file and add all the details. First of all, I'll just show the feature which were developed during the hackathon. The feature of minting NFTs. Demo NFT. I'll set the price for the NFT, let's say 0.01 Matic. I'll choose the file and I'll choose this picture of an owl. The file will be uploaded to IPFS, and once uploaded, we'll see a preview of the image fetched directly from IPFS. And now I'll click mint NFT. So when I click mint NFT, the create token function of the contract is being called and the contract is deployed on Polygon testnet. So I'll click confirm. Once the transaction goes through, I'll wait for the transaction to go through, and once it is done, the same uploaded token or the minted NFT will be listed on the marketplace. So I'll pay the gas fee for listing the token on the marketplace. Okay, so yeah, so the token has been listed on marketplace. How can I check that? Is I'll just go to my profile, I'll go to the store section, and I can see all the NFTs owned by me and the NFTs listed on the marketplace. Okay, so I have listed this NFT recently, the demo NFT. This is NFT minted for DevFolio. Now let's say I'll just switch my account wallet and I'll try to buy this NFT. So when I click this button here with the price of the NFT mentioned on it, I'll click confirm. Once it is done, this NFT now will be owned by me. So it has been gone from the marketplace, and once I refresh this page, I can see that my, NFT now linked to my wallet address, to the wallet which I have logged in. So also there are features like text channel, where users can communicate with the content creator over the text channel. Any users can drop messages, drop links to the NFTs or external links. This is built on OrbitDB. The database is completely decentralized for storing messages as well as for storing users data. We are also working on building events where we would be using unlock protocol to host events and get access using a specific crypto token for getting passes and tickets for an event which are hosted by the content creator. Also, users can upload the videos by going here, pressing the plus icon and pressing upload video. So once I have filled in all the details, the same file will be uploaded to IPFS, and this will be visible to all the users as video on demand. So also the prices of this video is also listed here. For example, 200 Matic tokens. This is the price which I would have to pay to get an NFT of this video. So I'll just open the video link, and I can see that there are options like become a super fan, reacting to the video, and also some other recommended videos. So by becoming a super fan, what I'll be getting is, for example, if I pay 10 dice per month for this content creator, I will be getting the perks which he has listed in his listing. Also there are some other perks as well. For example, 20 dice per month, 30 dice per month. Rise and stable coin used to pay subscription or buy subscriptions from this user. This is supported over Superfluid. Basically, we are trying to bring all the indie artists and content creators on a single platform where they won't have to pay commissions to centralized platforms like YouTube and Facebook for uploading their content. They can get direct payments or direct donations from the users itself. So this was a small presentation of the project we have been working on. Thank you.